So today Dan and I are about to go on a hike on Baker. It's gonna be real fun testing out my new hiking boots. Oh my god, these clouds are amazing. Hi everybody, so today I am going to the Paul Smith Vic with my friends Gemma and Nick, and it's going to be so much fun. I am so glad that we got some sunlight. I was so nervous when it got real dark for a while. Oh my gosh, don't fall down the stairs. For Dan's birthday, I took him ziplining. We had gone to the Lake Placid area, and they have a company called Experience Outdoors, and it was so beautiful. There was a fire pit, and there was some outdoor games like giant Jenga. There was just a swing, and it was so amazing before we took the journey out there. There are 6 zipline runs, and there were 2 rappelling systems. Here are a bunch of pictures of us going on the zipline tours, and it was a blast. I tell you, that adrenaline starts pumping, and you have a great time with the views and all of the amazing people. The guides were so fun and so friendly. They definitely made the experience worth it. I highly recommend using the Experience Outdoors services, as they also have archery and rope courses and things of that sort. They have lots of big plans for future services, and it is a beautiful area just filled with trees and great mountain views. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful with the sky breaking out there. Hey, I trust you, Peanut. Holy fuck! Oh my god!
All right, so face me. Put this over your shoulder, yeah? Right like that.
Oh my god.
I got you with this. You're not going anywhere until I let go of that. Line your feet up.
Happy birthday!
This is for you. We're here for you.
All right. You ready?
Sorry for the profanity.
Go for it.
Fuck me!
You got it.
I'm so scared.
You got it. Just lean back.
It's got me.
It's got you.
Okay.
It's got you.
Okay. Fuck.
Lean back.
Oh no.
That was the best one yet.